My friend Donna Foltz, y'all will remember her being in the kitchen with me before. She's one of my dearest friends, and I love her so much. So we're having kind of a garden party soiree today, just the two of us, which is the way we like it. And we're making salmon cakes with a mango tartar sauce. Donna was like the lead in all of the high school plays. She loved theater. Didn't you love theater? Tell them.
I did. I love it.
Yes, you do love theater.
I love being in the plays. You were in the plays. I know you were.
I was in one play.
You was cheerleader.
I was cheerleader.
Homecoming queen.
No, you couldn't be homecoming queen and cheerleader.
Oh, because you had to work the game.
Yes, you had to be one or the other. All right, I've got 2 eggs that I'm gonna crack, and we're gonna use a canned salmon. This is a great, cost-effective meal. Well, I remember back years ago, I could buy it for 99 cents a can.
Right.
And now it may be $1.99.
Wow.
Or it may be $2.59. I don't rightly know anymore.
Right.
But still, the bottom line is it's very economical. So if you're having a large group over and you want to stretch your budget, then canned salmon is definitely one of those items to use. Salmon croquettes were often on our menu when I was raising my boys. And there again, it's because it was so economical. Because, you know, growing boys, it's like they're walking around with empty legs. And
that's right. They're always hungry.
All right, so I'm gonna put in 1 cup of panko into our bowl. This is a Japanese breadcrumb.
Oh, it's a breadcrumb.
Yes,
Look
and
at that.
I adore it.
I love that.
And Donna has chopped us up some fresh parsley. We're gonna put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of the diced purple onion. All right, now I'm gonna add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So that's gonna give it a little bitty bite. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then I'm gonna add our eggs and mix it all together. Now I'm gonna get my pan going, and I'm gonna just use the canola oil to fry these in. And I've got some yellow cornmeal right here, Donna, that after I mold them into their little cakes, I'm gonna roll them in that cornmeal so it'll give it a nice little crust. And Donna, while I'm doing this, if you can come down here, we're gonna make a wonderful tartar sauce using mango.
Oh, yum.
So this is gonna give a whole different flavor to what we know is salmon cakes.
Do you want me to do this?
Yes, I want you to peel that, please, dear, and just dice it up.
Okay.
And then I want you to add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise.
Okay.
And 1 tablespoon of drained capers.
Okay,
So
great.
hit it, girl.
Okay,
And I'm
great.
gonna be working on these patties. You know, Donna, I think I'm gonna be able to get like 12 out of here. So how is that for value?
How you doing over there?
I'm doing great.
Look at you, girl.
I know,
Those
look at
are
me.
beautiful.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yes.
All right, I just want to
I
get...
love that. Love the look of that.
Yes, they're gonna be delicious. I don't want to get my satin sleeves. Look, listen, I wish y'all could have had the cameras rolling while Donna and I was getting ready today.
Oh. Okay, so I came over here with like 4 different outfits that I thought were absolutely perfect, and she did not like any of them. She found several things in her closet she wanted me to wear. So we opted on this. I hope y'all like it.
I just like that blouse better on you, honey.
Is this looking right?
It's perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Okay,
I'm just gonna try not to mess up these. So anyway.
Those are beautiful.
Now the thing about salmon, canned salmon, is it's already done.
Right.
So the only thing that we have that we really want to cook in it, Donna, is the eggs.
Okay.
It's not one of those things that has to like cook for hours.
Right.
Look at there.
Pretty.
Looky, looky.
Like it.
You like it? All right, now these look ready. See how nice and brown these are?
Yeah, I love it.
Yes.
It's great. Pretty. And look how pretty that
Look at
parsley,
those.
that fresh parsley, nothing like it.
I know. Well, let's taste. You want to?
Yes.
Okie doke. I'm gonna give you one of those pretty brown ones.
Thanks.
Isn't that pretty?
Yes.
All right, now let's get us a dollop of the mango tartar.
Like mayonnaise. Yum.
All right, so tell me what you think, girl.
Oh, it is so delicious. Mmm.
Isn't it yummy? And I love the mango with it.
Oh, it's
And the
delicious.
capers.
It's
Oh, I'm so
good.
glad you like it.
I learned something today, girl.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.